Hi everybody, this is Serb Share. We're back another day with another unboxing. Here I have a package from my sponsor Sonax Sweden, and I don't quite remember what I've ordered, but here is three news, uh, at least news in Sweden, and even if I'm doing this video in English for a Swedish company, you can buy all these Sonos products worldwide. So let's see what I got.
Funky. Hip hop.
I should maybe do this video in Swedish, uh, but I hope all of you understand English anyway. So they haven't sent me everything I ordered, so I'm guessing I'm getting two packages. But I think I at least have the news here. So let's see what they sent me. All right, so I don't have all the news, but this is a new shampoo, and foam invasion is supposed to foam a lot more, and I don't have I would say foam machine, but that's the wrong word, high pressure wash, so I will use this uh, at my friend's place so I can show you how it foams. This one I'm curious about, Clean Star APC, and this is for your whole interior, even the windows. So I'm really curious about that. And I understand that we need this product because many luxury cars have this um, clear coating piano color that are just as clear as windows. So this would be great for that. And plus your big screens and yada yada yada. Many products we have for interior cleaning is focused on plastic, and not all cars are completely plastic inside. So I'm curious about this one. Then the third product that I don't have, that was a news, was for exterior plastic, and that is something that I've been requesting for several years because we have a bunch of at least 5-6 different kind of products for exterior plastic in Sonax Germany, but not here in Sweden. But that product is one of the news that I'm really looking forward to because I need it, but it's not here. And so what we have here is plastic detailer inside and outside. This is the thing that I use to clean inside usually. I don't think I've used it exterior at all. Maybe I should try that. Luxury leather. This is really nice because the standard leather cleaner makes the leather shiny. This one makes it matte, and to me that looks much better. Matte black leather or red or whatever kind of leather interior you have looks way better than glossy shiny. Maybe you think that the shiny looks more clean, but I absolutely prefer the matte look. Tire clean, I've showed you a short video with this one. This is a must. This really changed everything for me. Usually before you just put the glass on the wheels, but now when we have this, putting gloss on a dirty tire, for what reason? So this is absolutely great. Degreaser, I think it's called in English, all fitting. To me, it's kind of new that or it's not new, but I didn't know the difference between your standard one and for cold. But yeah, this is something that I have not used before because I learned from my father that if you have just polished your car, you should not use a degreaser. But now, since my cars are coated, ceramic coated, I can absolutely use these. And then this one, my favorite, the Beast Wheel Cleaner. This is just amazing. And I've lent it to, or I showed some of my friends how it works, and they're just amazed by it. So I told them to send me a couple of them. I got 3 of them, which last maybe a month for me. This is a really great one. And I asked for some sponges. I got 1. So I'm hoping for some more in the next package, because I use a new sponge every time. Yes, I should use the sponge glove, but I prefer to have a sponge that I can grip. Yeah, that's just my taste. So that's it for this unboxing. The next package is going to have much more, I think, if I remember correctly. But I'm mostly excited about the exterior plastic coating. I think it's called ceramic coating for plastic exterior, I think it's called. So check that video out. Thanks for watching.